In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect, so you can bring information into your books quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at your company file. To begin, head to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your central hub for settings and tools. From the menu that opens, look for the Tools section and select Import Data. This takes you to the area where all importing happens. Here, you'll choose the record type you want to bring in. QuickBooks supports several types, and each one has its own fields and requirements. That means the options and prompts you see next may differ depending on what you pick. For example, customer lists, vendor lists, and products have different formats compared to financial transactions. In this walkthrough, I'm selecting bank data so you can see the flow. Go ahead and click Import to proceed. After you click Import, QuickBooks guides you through the details it needs for the record type you selected. Because we chose bank data, you'll typically be asked for information that helps QuickBooks understand your transactions. Think of this as telling the system what you're bringing in and how it should interpret it. You may be prompted to provide a file, confirm dates, or map columns so that amounts, dates, and descriptions land in the right places. If you're using a file, double-check that your headers are clear and your date and amount formats are consistent. Clean, well-structured data helps avoid errors and saves time during review. As you go, keep an eye out for any notes or sample templates that QuickBooks offers. These are there to show the ideal format for your data type. If something doesn't match, a quick adjustment to your file before you continue can prevent import warnings later. For this demonstration, I won't be entering actual bank information or finalizing the import since I'm working in a test account. In your own setup, once you've supplied the necessary details and confirmed everything looks correct, complete the import and let QuickBooks process it. When it's done, it's a good idea to scan the results to make sure everything appears where you expect. And that's it. You click the gear icon, opened Import Data under Tools, chose a record type, selected bank data as our example, clicked Import, and reviewed the required details for that type. Follow those prompts carefully and you'll have your data in QuickBooks in no time.